Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and deactivate your Facebook account after the new update given by Facebook itself. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, go ahead, open your Facebook app, tap on your profile icon given on your top right corner right there. Go ahead, tap on the settings icon above, simply tap on it, and now you will see this kind of interface. Go ahead, tap on this account center and go to this personal details right there, and then you will find this account ownership and control below identity confirmation. Tap on it, tap on this deactivation or deletion option given below. Now you will choose your Facebook account right there, and then you will see this, it's right here by default as well, continue option. And now you will, again, if you have a connected Facebook page, you will find this kind of interface. Tap on continue, and now you will have to enter your password right there that you have created while creating your Facebook account itself. Once you enter that, you will find this yes continue option there in blue box. Go ahead, tap on that one, and you're good to go. You will be able to deactivate your account right there. And yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.